Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahde English School online education. I am glad to see you all again in a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our session with a beautiful thought. Thought for the day is the learning process continues until the day you die. Never stop learning. Never stop yourself to get new knowledge, new information or new skill. Let's begin from today onwards until the day of ending. Maths is a fun. Do you believe that? Yes, I believe that we can learn with fun. Maths is very interesting, understanding and joyful subject. So, let's begin our journey to learn maths with fun. You might all have remembered that right now we are making revision of chapter number 5. So before we start, sit straight everybody. Take your notebook and your pencil in your hand. Write the date with a very good handwriting. Date and day as we are writing in our class each and every day. Where you have to write the day and date? In this corner of your book. During the classroom, we all are used to write day and date here. Have you completed? Before we start, I will explain the revision of previous lectures. So you have to compare that either you have completed or not. After I give you instruction, you have to start writing today's lecture. Okay? In previous lectures, we make revision of place value, tens and ones, numbers after, before, between, missing numbers. Compare in your book, either you all have completed this or not. If anyone late to write anything, then you have to watch previous videos and complete your work. Okay, my dear students, let's move towards today's learning points. Now again, sit straight, make your back straight, take a deep breath in, breathe out. Very good. That's like my good students. Now you all are ready to learn. Write the heading in your book, comparing numbers. C-O-M-P-A-R-I-N-G, comparing, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. What I have told you, whenever you complete any phrase or sentence, do not forget to make punctuation. Okay, my dear? What is the comparison? Look at the screen. Here we have picture of two balls. Look it carefully. What is your observation? Tell me. After watching this, what first impression comes in your mind? Would you like to share with me? Let me explain. The first impression comes in our mind that this ball is small in size in comparison of this ball. Or in the other way, we can say that this ball is bigger in size in the comparison of this ball. You might feel some comparison with your siblings, cousins, friends. Am I right? But right now we are learning mathematics. So, in mathematics, how can we make comparison? Let's see. In math, to compare means to examine the difference between numbers, quantities or values, to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another quantity. Here, for instance, we are comparing numbers. By comparing, we can define or find by how much a number is greater or smaller. I would like to repeat. In maths, to compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities or values, to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another quantity. Here, for instance, we are comparing numbers. By comparing, we can define to find by how much a number is greater or smaller. Yes. Now we are going to learning about greater number and smaller number. How can we find out it? To find out the quantity. How much is greater or smaller? Let's understand. Write this heading again. Ring the bigger number. I would like to repeat this again so you all can copy this again, my dear. Sit straight. Write the heading. R-I-N-G, ring. T-H-E, the. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. N-U-M-B-E-R. Ring the bigger number. Big means in size? No. In quantity. As we are learning about numbers, so we can compare the numbers with quantity. Completed, leave one line and then write. Look at the screen. We have two numbers here. Number 4040 and 9494. We have to find out the bigger number among these two numbers. First of all, you have to write these two numbers in your notebook. Do not forget to put space between two numbers, as we have to find out the bigger or greater number and we have to make circle around it. Okay? Completed? Now, how can we find out the bigger number? For the help, right now we are having the number strips from number 1 to 10. Why only for numbers 1 to 10? Let me explain that. First of all, we have to find out the first letter of given numbers. Here the first number is 4, another number is 9. Now look at the number strip. Here we have number 4. Here we have number 9. According to number line, the number which comes after or in more quantity, the number starts with that number will become bigger or greater number. Here number 9 is bigger, 94 starts with bigger number, so it will be the bigger number. Make circle around number 94 in your notebook. Make a circle with the help of pencil. If possible, then make circle with the help of crayons. So your book can become decorative, looking good, and at any time you can find out the answer. Write down, my dear. Leave some space. Write number 29 and 88. 29, 29. Leave some space. 88, 88. How can we find out the bigger number? This number starts with 2. This starts with 8. Here is number 2. This is number 8. By observing this, we can say that 8 is bigger than 2. With the help of this number strip, we can say that number 88 is bigger than 29. So make a circle around number 88. We have number 29 and 88. 88 is the bigger number, so make a circle around 8. Completed, my dear? Well done. Now leave some space and then write new numbers. Here we have number 81, 81, 18, 18. The numbers are 81, 81 and 18, 18. Don't forget to put the space between these two numbers. Okay? Now 81 starts with number 8 when 18 with 1. This is number 1 and here we have number 8. By observing this, we can say that 8 is the bigger number, and as 81 starts with bigger number, it will be the bigger number between these two numbers. Make a circle around 81. We have number 81 and 18. As 81 is the bigger number, you have to make circle around 81. Completed, my dear students? I hope you all can complete it. Leave some space and then write new number. 5, 6, 56, 65, 65. Note down these two numbers in your book. Don't forget to leave the space. "56" start with 5, when 65 start with 6. Here is 5 and this is 6. As the 6 is bigger, starting with 6, number 65 is bigger than 56. Make a circle around it. Write down number 5, 6, 56 and 6, 5, 65. As 65 is bigger number, make a circle around it. Completed? Very good, my dear students. Leave some space. Write number 78. Leave some space and then write number 8 to 82. 78 and 82. Now we have to find out the bigger number. Think in your mind, which number will become bigger number? Who is ready with the answer? Keshwani, are you ready? Asarya, have you completed the answer? Can I explain now? 78 starts with 7. 82 starts with 8. Here is 7 and this is 8. By observing this, we can say that 82 is the bigger number. Make a circle around it. All students have completed, my dear. 78 and 82. Among these two numbers, number 82 is the bigger number. So make a circle around number 8 to 82. All students have completed. Very nice. Now leave some space. Write the new number. Number 74 and 64. Write down number 74. Leave some space and write 64. We are going to find out a bigger number. Think in your mind, which number will become bigger number? Is it 74 or 64? Who is ready with the answer? This number starts from 7 and here the number starts from 6. This is the 6, this is number 7. Observe this carefully. Number 7 is the bigger number. So we can say that number 74 becomes bigger. Make a circle around it. Write down number 74 and 64. As number 74 is bigger, make a circle around it. Very good. So my dear students, this was the exercise of ring the bigger number. Now we are going to start a new exercise. So you have to write it on a new page. Write the heading with a very good handwriting. Ring the smaller number. RING ring, THE the, SMALLER smaller, NUMBER number. Don't forget to put punctuation. You all have to write with a very good handwriting. Again, sit straight. Make your back straight, my dear. Very good. After writing the heading, leave one line and then write the numbers. Look at the screen. We have number 4646 and 6868. First you have to write number 46, then leave some space and then write 68. Do not forget to put some space. Which exercise we are doing right now? We are finding smaller number. Now observe these numbers carefully. 46 starts with 4. When 68 starts with 6. Here is 4 and here is 6. As we are in search of smaller number, we have to find out the small number. By observing this, we can say that number 4 is a smaller number. 46 starts with 4, so it will be the smaller number. Make a circle around it. 46 and 68. Make a circle around 46. Leave some space and then write new number. 73 and 57. Observe this carefully and tell me which will be the smaller number. 73 starts with 7 while 57 starts with 5. 5 and 7. By observing this pattern, we can say that 57 will be the smaller number. Make a circle around it, my dear. You all have completed. Well done. Write number 73 and 57. Then make circle around number 57. Now leave some space and then write new number. 84 and 29. First of all, you have to write 84. Then leave some space and then write 29. Completed? Very good. Now look at this number strip. 84 starts with 8 while 29 starts with 2. Number 2 and number 8. 2 comes first. It means it is smaller in comparison of 8. By observing this, we can say that 29 is the smaller number. Make a circle around it. Write down number 84 and 29 and then make circle around 29 as it is smaller number. Okay? Now leave some space and then write a new number. Write number 83 and 69. 83 and 69. Don't forget to leave the space, my dear, so you can make circle nicely. Who is not completing yet? Stop each and every activity, concentrate, look at the board, write these two numbers, my dear students, 83 and 69. Now let's find out which number is smaller. 83 starts with 8, when 69 starts with 6. This is number 6 and this is number 8. By observing this, we can say that 69 is smaller number. Make a circle around it. If you wish, you can use crayons, sketch pen to make circles so your book can be decorative. You will enjoy, as we told you that maths is a fun. We are going to learn with fun. Make a circle around 69. Copy everyone. Very good. Write down number 54 and 50. Oh, look at there. This both number starts with the same digit. 54 and 50. Now how can we find out? They both are in the same place. So here we have to get the help of before numbers. Which number comes before 50? Means it is less in quantity. Okay, make a circle around 50. We have number 5454 and 5050. We find out that number 5050 is smaller in size than number 54. So we have to make circle around number 5050. Have you all completed? Very good. Leave some space and then write the new number. Number 9797 and 8989. First you have to write 97, then leave some space and then write 89. Completed everybody? Now think in your mind and find it by yourself. Which number is smaller? Either it is 97 or 89. Make practice by yourself. Tell me which is the smaller number. 97 starts with 9 when 89 starts with 8. This is 8 and this is 9. Now tell me, my dear, which is the smaller number? Is it 97 or 89? I hope you all have already completed because you all are my good students. So, yes, 89 is the smaller number. Make a circle around it. Done? Everybody? So, my dear students, here we have completed the exercise. Circle the smaller number or ring the smaller number. First, we have done ring the bigger number. Then we have done ring the smaller number. Now, we are going to learn about biggest and smallest. Today I will give you aerial view. In next lecture, we will make deep exercise regarding this. Biggest and smallest. As this is the aerial view only, in next lecture we will learn this briefly. Read with me, my dear. Which is the smallest number? Circle it. Look at the board. Here we have 4 options. Number 76, 53, 35 and 36. Write down this in your notebook. Which is the smallest number? Circle it. Is it 76, 53, 35 or 36? What do you say? Yes, it is 35. Make a circle around it. All have completed? Very good. Then leave some space and write a new question. Which is the biggest number? Circle around it. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the biggest among the given numbers. First is 53, then 70, then 17. Observe this carefully. Which will be the biggest? Is it 17? Is it 70? Or is it 53? Yes, you are right. It is number 7070. Make a circle around it. 73 is the biggest among all this number. Completed? Find out the smallest number and make circle around it. What you have to do? You have to find out the smallest. 21, 27 and 25. What do you say? Which is the smallest among all these numbers? Yes, it is 21. Make a circle around it. So this was the overview about biggest and smallest number. In next lecture we are going to make practice regarding the same. Before I leave, note down the homework in your book, my dear. Today in homework you have to write ring the smaller number, ring the bigger number in your homework book one time with the help of sending notes. Okay? Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture with some new exercise. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.